Hey, it's Allison here, owner of the Manifestation Society, and today I'm sharing with you all about angel numbers, what they are, how to see them, and why it's important for you to be aware of them in your life and how they can help. So stay tuned. Okay, so angel numbers. What the heck are they? They are numbers that are 3 or 4 numbers that are the same number in order. So like 1111, 333, 222, 444. Those are angel numbers. Now, the cool thing about these is once you become aware of them and start to see them, you will literally see them everywhere. Like, I'm not even joking. You'll see them on license plates, you'll see them at the gym, you'll see them on TV, on numbers on the back of products, like literally everywhere. And what's really cool about them is that they are meant to be a sign for you, they're meant to be a guidance for you, and they're here to help guide and support you throughout your life. That's what they're here for. And I can't wait to tell you more about them. And I don't know about you, but there are definitely times in my life where I have felt overwhelmed, stressed, lost, confused. And my friends, when I tell you I have a hard time making decisions, like, that's no joke. I am the most indecisive person ever. And I know that that is a struggle and a challenge that a lot of us deal with. And the root cause of that is it really comes down to the fact that we don't feel confident or we don't trust ourselves to be making the right decisions. And what that does, that state of indecisiveness just causes like a massive standstill, right? Like, you can't move either way because you don't know what you're gonna do. And I know for me, I never wanted to make a mistake. I never wanted to feel like any decision I made was wrong and then regret my decision. So as a result of that, I didn't make any decisions at all, which is crazy. That's no way to live. So for me, when I learned about what angel numbers are and how I can use them in my life to help reduce that state of indecision, of confusion, give me some guidance and support, and to let me know, hey, you're on the right path, you're doing everything you should be doing, it helped open up a part of me that just kind of like allowed me to take a deep breath, right? To feel like, oh, okay, like I'm not on this, like I'm not doing this alone. I'm not on my path alone. I have support, I have guidance, and it's being revealed to me through these numbers. So that's why angel numbers are so important, because they can take you from a state of complete stress, overwhelm, and indecision to a state of feeling calm, confident, and trusting yourself more. Who doesn't want to be over here, right? Don't we all want to be over here? Certainly we all do, right? That's why I'm sharing this video with you. That's why angel numbers are so important. And that's why I want you to become more aware of them in your life, because they are there for a reason. They're here to guide you. So here's my tip on how to become more aware and notice these angel numbers in your life. I want you to just start opening your eyes and looking around at the different numbers. License plates are a great way to start, because you'll be on the road and you see license plates constantly, and they all have angel numbers, right? And what's really fun about it is, like, once you start noticing it, it's like when you like want to go out and buy a new car, right? Like, you're looking to buy a white Honda CRV. Once you've decided you're going to buy this white Honda CRV, what car do you see everywhere on the road? Exactly, a white Honda CRV. So once you become aware of these numbers, you're going to start seeing them everywhere. So license plates, look at the clock, like 11:11, remember that? Like, make a wish, it's 11:11. Calories, like if you're going for a run and you look at your Fitbit and you're like, oh, I burned 333 calories. Billboards, on TV, on t-shirts, really just start observing and noticing what these numbers are in your life and where you see them. And then what you can do is you can go online, go on a quick Google search and Google 333 angel numbers, and you'll get a lot of advice and feedback from others on what that number means for them. I have shared on my content page of the Manifestation Society, I have shared my own list of what the numbers mean for me. You can head on over there to on Facebook or Instagram and see my list, or send me a message. I'm happy to send you an email with that list too. But what's really cool about these numbers is that let's say you're at the gym and you burned 333 calories, right? And you go home and you Google 333, what does that mean? You're gonna get a response. And then you can say, oh wow, that really speaks to me, because when I was running on the treadmill thinking about the next step in my business or the next step in my life, like, should I take this new job or should I Consider this new position at work, right? That's when I saw the angel number. That's the angels giving you guidance right there in that moment. So step 1 is becoming more observant of the numbers. And then step 2 is to think about, what was I thinking about? Or what was I deciding on? Or what was like that feeling I had in my heart when I saw that angel number? Because whatever that is, you're thinking, feeling, wondering about, and then you see the angel number, that's the feedback to what you were feeling. And that's what's so cool about it. And what's cool is that each number will over time begin to mean something special for you. So for what 444 means to me might mean something different to you. And that's because our angel guides are communicating, to us differently, but they're using those numbers as a way to communicate. And that's what's really cool about this. Thank you so much for tuning in today and for letting me share with you more about what angel numbers are and why they are important to you in your life. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please make sure to give me a like and comment below and let me know what numbers are you seeing in your life on a regular basis and what they mean to you. I cannot wait to hear. Be sure to share this video too with someone that you love, because the more people that know about angel numbers, the better. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you again next week. Bye.